Bumper app pricing explained what you get for your money. Bumper is an investment and savings platform that automates long-term investing. Most people assume automated apps are costly or complicated, but Bumper offers a simple, predictable pricing structure. The app charges a flat management fee of 0.25% per year on total assets, which includes portfolio rebalancing and automated investing. There are no account setup fees or withdrawal fees. Users can start with as little as, making it accessible for beginner investors. Bumper provides diversified portfolios using ETFs and index funds, as well as tax-efficient accounts where applicable. The surprising truth is that by automating investing and keeping fees low, Bumper allows users to build wealth consistently without constant monitoring or complex decision-making. In conclusion, Bumper app pricing is transparent, affordable, and beginner-friendly. Investors get automated, diversified portfolios at a low cost, making it a smart choice for long-term wealth building.